Okay, so here's a little information about the general form. Um, Basically on the left, this says me. My preference is to have ax plus by on the left, and I like to have c on the right. The book will say it should be ax plus by plus c equals 0. So I don't care which one you use, it's pretty easy. For instance, if I had 3x plus 4y equals 12, and the book then would have 3x plus 4y minus 12. If somebody writes it in a different form than you do, it's pretty easy to move the 12 around to get it back. But anyway, the reason why I like it the way I do is because if you make an x, y table and you make x 0, basically you're getting rid of the 3x, because 3 times 0 is 0. How would you get y by itself? You would divide by 4. So when you divide by 4, 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then you can do the same thing for your y value. Make the y 0, so get rid of it. Now it's 3x equals 12. So when you divide by 3, x is 4. So what happens is you can make what's called an intercept table very quickly when it's in general form. So I'm going to show you these two examples. The first one, I would like to multiply by 3 on every term, because one of the rules is we shouldn't have fractions or decimals in general form. So this will be 3y, 1/3 of 3 is x, and 3 times 4 is 12. And then in either case, x is always first, so I want to bring x to this side. So you would subtract it. And then one of the rules is the first value, that x value, should always be positive. So you can multiply everything by -1. But really what I do is I just flip. Since it's negative, it becomes positive. It was positive, it becomes negative, and it was positive, so it's negative again. So that's your general form. Now on the second one here, I might start by distributing the 1/2, depending on how you do this. 1/2 times x and 1/2 times 4 would be 2. And then I would have to multiply everything by 2 to get rid of that fraction. So if I multiply everything by 2, I get 2y, -2. 1/2 of 2 is 1 again. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So if I bring the x to this side, and I take this -2 to that side, I would have -x plus 2y over here. And remember, you're going to add the 2 when it comes over here, and you're going to get 6. But now I need to get rid of the negative sign out front, so I'm just going to go positive again, and then everything else has to change as well. So hopefully that helps.